Good morning everybody, Monday morning. No. Afraid so, yeah, Monday morning again. Time to go back to work. After the strange weekend. I really get up too much. Built my bench and that's it. Lazy Saturday. Didn't do what we were planned to do, which was to do a Star Wars marathon, but we'll do that this week. Just nipped out to the car to put my laptop back in the car and it's still snowing, so that's gonna definitely slow us down sometime today, this bloody weather. Never mind, moving on.
Something they should be thinking about doing.
That's good advice this morning, Liam. Thank you very much. It's Liam O'Toole.
Mute. It's that button there, Alan. You can never bloody find it. Oh. Okay, the news this morning is about pain relief for people with long term. The news this morning is all about pain relief for people with arthritis and other basically recurring pain. So that's the news. And good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Tired.
Not asleep.
Not very well, no.
Never mind. Well, it's absolutely freezing and snowing out, so we'll see what we're going to do tonight. Probably, get the sleep out of my eyes. Probably come home. But the car's going in to be fixed today. We'll get rid of that horrible grating noise. Okay, so let's hope it doesn't cost us a lot.
So what's happening is I am dropping Alan off because he's got a car and showing his butt to everybody. I'm dropping Alan off because we have to take the car to the garage this morning. So he's just putting water in the back of the car and in the front of the car, sorry, for the screen wash, and then I'm gonna leave him. So let's get going. Okay, so that's us nearly at the garage. Well, it's nearly at my work because the garage is actually just down the road from work, so I can walk after I drop the car off, and it takes me only 2 minutes, so it's fine. The radio guy has just said something really interesting. He says that it was snowing and now it's sunny, and I tend to concur with this statement of what the hell is happening with the weather today, because it can't seem to make up its mind. One minute it's raining, one minute it's snowing, the next minute it's sunny. So typical 3 seasons in one day for Scotland. Oh well. So we will be dropping the car off in about 5 minutes and then I will go to work, and I guess I'll talk to you when I go to pick the car up. Okay, so that's the work day over with. I have picked the car up, 240 quid later, brand new set of rear brakes. Car's now booked in for its MOT for the 23rd of May, just before we go off to the Lake District, so that's fine too. At least I know the rear brakes will be alright. And now I suppose we should go get Alan, so I'll talk to you soon. Excuse me?
Yes?
Can you tell me, where have all the good men gone?
I'm here. Are you looking for a cowboy?
I don't know, do you know
Your
where all the
Lonely
gods
Ranger.
are?
Well, right, okay. See, if you just come out here, turn left, take your first right, and third on your left, there's a Lonely Ranger.
Look who's getting in the car.
Do I need to cry? Exactly what it was last time.
Yep.
Well, £100 actually more than we thought. Not to worry. Does it make a grinding noise now?
Nope.
Shall we get off?
Yeah, let's get home.
This is what weather's like in May. Oh, sorry.
Still April.
Still April. Fail. But hailstones. There is no venturing out tonight. And we're looking to get across the island. So I think we'll go home and batten the hatches. Okay, that's us home. Expect to have our tea. I've started editing the vlog. I've got most of it done from yesterday. It's 6:14 now, so hopefully that should go up this time. It's still snowing, so guess what? We ain't going out tonight. It's gonna be get under the blankets and snuddle, I think. What do you think? That's the plan.
I'm also really full and slightly sleepy.
I think really it's windy and Baltic and snowing, and it's not spring at all, so it's not fair. So that's what we're going to do. Figure out something to do. Speak to you shortly. Monday night, time for me to go and settle down and get upstairs, have a rest. Michelle's going to stay up a little bit, reading. As you can see out by all the bits around, we've been sorting through bits and bobs for the garden. Going to start growing stuff, trying to grow stuff. It's a new one for us, but we're going to give it a go. This is all stuff that was a Christmas present from
Elizabeth and Sean.
Yeah, Elizabeth and Sean. Elizabeth and Sean, and this is stuff that we've just kind of acquired throughout the year, or not last year, year before, last couple of years. I wasn't able to do anything last year. I was ill, so I'm over that now. So I'm going to call it now and say good night from me.
And good night from him.
Good night. See you all in the morning.